This should be fun. Okay, it's a lot easier now. Now it's downhill from here. Okay, we went to the top of the hill, top of the slope. Now it's all down. Get your sleds on. Let's have fun. All right. So we're just going to take these two and we're going to make them like this: 3x cubed plus 8 squared x squared, right? Plus negative 12x minus 4. Okay? So it's called factor by grouping. I'm going to group these two and I'm going to group these two. Okay? Because it's not a trinomial. We can't factor a polynomial. We can factor a trinomial. Right? Okay? Waylon. I'm recording. It's hard. Alright. Next. What goes into both of these? Okay? What goes into both of these?
3.
So 3 won't go into both of them because there's a 1 here, right? So only x. There's an x in both of them, right? So x squared will actually go into this, right? I can take 2 away from here, and I can take 2 away from 3, right? I can't take 3 away from 2. You see what I'm saying? So I can take 2, and I get 3x plus, now if I take this out, there has to be a 1 there. Does that make sense? Because to get back to it, I have to say this times 1 is this. Okay? That's all upside down division is. I'm pulling it out. I'm saying, hey, what times x squared is 3x cubed? 3x. What times x squared is x squared? 1. Okay? Now I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay? I'm going to say, hey, what goes into 4 and 12? 2. 4. Okay? And when I do that, now, I want to get this to be the same as this. That's my goal, right? But this is positive, that's negative. So that's not going to be the same unless I put a negative for it. You see what I'm saying? Now this will be 3x plus 1, right? And now they're the same. So we get to rewrite it. X squared times 3x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1 times negative 4. Okay? And so then we can take out whatever's common. Right? What's common? 3x plus 1. Right? That's in both of them. It's right here and it's right here. So what's left is x squared plus negative 4. Alright. Now, I have x squared minus 4, right? Because a plus minus is minus. Okay? And I have 3x plus 1. Can I factor this? I have to ask myself that, right? This time I can. This one can be factored. Now, the thing is, there's 2 ways of factoring this. One, you can go x squared plus 0x minus 4. Right?
This ain't happened overnight when it's patience.
Okay? And you can factor this using your factor by your 5-step method. X, this comes down. They're different. 2 numbers that multiply to be 4, right? And the sum is 0. The sum meaning they minus to be 0. What multiplies to be 4, but subtracts to be 0? 2 and 2. Okay? So that's one way to do it. Another way is, what's the square root of this? square root of x squared. Square root of, so you think of this, square root 2, bring this down, and write what's called the conjugate, x plus 2. Okay? So this is the quick way of doing it. This is the longer way. You choose. Okay? Now, times 3x plus 1, and we're good.
Talk to the house. Have no food up in my system. When you
Okay.
in the hood, it's kind of hard to be uplifted.
Alright. So that was fun, right? Fun? A little bit? Now think of this. There's a 1 right here, right? Now when these are multiplied, we're going to add the exponents. So we're saying 8 plus 5 plus 1. What is 8 plus 5 plus 1? 14. So this is a 14th degree monomial. Okay? Because there's only one piece. It's not added to anything. Does that make sense? Okay, so when you have multiple variables that are multiplying, you have to add those exponents. Okay? You can't just say, this is the 8th degree polynomial. It's not. You have to add those exponents. Alright, next. They want you to multiply each side by 6. That means this side's got to be multiplied by 6x. That means this side's got to be multiplied by 6x. Right? So that means I've got 30x squared, and I've got 12xy. Right? But then I'm going to add the sides because it's perimeter. It's not area. I'm not multiplying. So I'm adding them. So 30x squared plus 30x squared plus 12xy plus 12xy is 60x squared plus 24xy. And there is your perimeter. Okay? So it's just a matter of being able to multiply by the 6, I think, right? 6x. And then adding up the pieces. Does that make sense? Questions? All right.